Daniel here, aka Dansbeard. Alright, today's gonna be a little different. It's gonna be more project oriented, DIY if you will. A couple weeks ago, I went on a camping / shooting trip with some friends and it was amazing. However, there was a fail involved, and to be specific, it was a drone fail. I was doing a flyby, getting awesome shots, got a little too carried away, and I ran right into an antenna tower. Let's just say it could have been a lot worse. I went, picked up the drone, and there were props that were broken, and a couple little light covers had fallen off, and that was all right. But when I put the new props onto the drone, I found out that one of the arms was bent, because if you listen closely, can you hear that? One of the props is actually hitting the body. Now, I want to try to do this myself. I'm not real hands-on, crafty if you will, but I still want to try it out. And I know that I shouldn't try to bend this back without heating up the plastic, because there would be more of a predisposition for it to break. So I initially thought about buying a heat gun. I was really close to getting a heat gun actually, but I decided that I'm going to try a hair blow dryer first, because I have one of those lying around the house. I might use it for my beard every now and then. Anyways, so I'm going to try to heat this arm up and bend the arm back and see if it works. I mean, I know there's an IMU chip in it inside the drone, and calibrations will still be a little off even if I do bend it back. But regardless, I'm gonna try it out. Worst case scenario, I'll try to send it back to a drone repair company and see if they can help me out. Alrighty. Wish me luck. Put some protective gloves on, and now we will try to bend it back a little. Definitely nothing technical about this. I just grabbed it and I'm just trying to straighten out the arm, and just as best as I can. I'm gonna go ahead and take this and put it in front of a fan and see if I can cool it down a little faster. I've put the prop back onto the drone. Now the test to see whether or not this has the potential to work is if the prop hits the body when it spins. So let's check it out. Look at that. No way. I can't believe it actually worked. Well, the hair dryer and bending it back worked, but the true test will be whether or not it flies. Can't wait to try this out. Alright, this is what it comes down to. Yesterday, I fixed the drone, so today, we see if it actually flies. Did you see that? Did you see that?